Up next is another vocal talent we'll be introducing. Arya Venkat is going to be singing in the 10 minutes intro slot for us. And accompanying him is another new familiar face with a new talent, Kavya Kodingalur on the veena. And we will have another new percussion that we are introducing, Umesh Gopi. He's going to be supporting Arya. So please welcome Arya, Kavya and Umesh.
ನಿನ್ನೆ गिरिराज सुता तनया गिरिराज सुता तनया सदया गिरिराज सुता तनया सदया गिरिराज सुता तनया सदया गिरिराज सुता तनया
You did a very good job, Arya. Okay? Congratulations. Thanks for waiting so patiently and keep up the practice. You have to practice a lot more now that you sang your first concert, right? Excellent. I know you will do that. And Kavya, you played like a pro girl. This didn't look like your first performance. I'm sure your guru, Shikancharya, will give you more tips and pointers, and we hope to see you on stage more often. Okay? I'm requesting your guru to, so he can release all of you to, accompany more and more. Like he can help you guys and get on the stage for us. So you do that too for me, okay? Keep up the practice on Veena too. I know you are all vocalists, love to do vocal concerts, but I would like to see the same enthusiasm for Veena too, okay? Excellent. Good job, very good job. And I'm sure you probably, I don't know, I hope you read the bio he had. He's a fun-loving 5th grader. His mom, Rata, she forgot the word naughty in between. Umesh is one of the naughtiest kids we have seen, and I've seen him for the past 8 years, and you can calculate since when I've known him. And this is the first time we got to play, and just about like when Ajay graduated off to college after performing in CCC for about 8 years, his brother came here. And will you practice and replace Sajay for us? I like the enthusiasm. enthusiasm, he's fearless. Okay, it sometimes scares all of us. But you did a very good job, Umesh, okay? But you have to keep up the practice, listen to your appa and anna, okay? Good.